How to change the Signal app icon. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to change the app icon, firstly open up the Signal application on your device and log in. Once you're inside, go to your profile icon at the top left corner and tap on it. In the pop-up, click on Settings. After you're inside the settings page, go to the bottom of the screen and then tap on Appearance. Inside Appearance, tap on App Icon. Now go ahead and choose the icon you want to use. Select the icon you want from the menu, and once you are done, your app icon will be changed. Return to your home screen to see the new Signal app icon. And that's it! You successfully changed the Signal app icon. You can switch to a different icon anytime by following the same steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.